Hey friends, if you wish to disable keyboard shortcuts on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, the path for Bluetooth is ms-settings colon Bluetooth. I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is go to the desktop or wherever you wish to create the shortcut, right click and then select new shortcut, mention it as the path here and then click on next and finish. Okay, now it has been created. I will rename it Bluetooth settings. Hit enter. Now double click on it and it will lead you to Bluetooth settings directly and you will easily be able to connect using it. Although we always have the Bluetooth shortcut here, but yes, I get your point. This has more options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.